Hi everyone, welcome to CWC Cooking with Confidence. I am Madhu. Today I want to introduce you to our summer watermelon salad. So let's get started. As you can see, I chopped up some watermelon cubes into nice pieces. Next, I'm going to add freshly chopped cucumber. It's really crunchy and good for you. Specialty for this dish is actually fresh mozzarella pearls. Mozzarella gives you a nice, soft, refreshing taste. As for your dressing, I like to use olive oil, lemon juice, little bit salt, and little bit black pepper. All the prep work is done. Let's make it. Mix it well. Watermelon salad I like to serve on a bed of purple cabbage. Your watermelon salad is ready. Watermelon salad is the best when you enjoy the same day, otherwise it's get watery. This is your delicious watermelon salad. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. See you next time. Bye-bye.